Dans ce cadre que nous avons inscrit la plupart de nos activités. Cette présidence a également facilité la mise en place de nombreuses activités et initiatives liées au Conseil de l'Europe en Andorre. Nous avons eu le plaisir d'accueillir lors de la présidence, par exemple, et en permettant à la société civile, à de jeunes Andorrans de prendre contact avec ces ambassadeurs pour la paix et avec les formateurs afin de mieux connaître les travaux du Conseil de l'Europe. Symbole donc de cette présidence, en vous assurant du soutien de l'Andorre vers la présidence arménienne. On a déjà travaillé ensemble donc avec vos ambassadeurs ici et j'espère vraiment, je vous souhaite vraiment tout le succès que mérite votre présidence et que mérite le Conseil de l'Europe. Merci.
Pour la présidence excellente, constructive et efficace du Comité des ministres du Conseil de l'Europe. Chers collègues, mesdames et messieurs, pour moi c'est un honneur et un grand plaisir de prendre la parole en tant que président du Comité des ministres du Conseil de l'Europe, l'organisation la plus ancienne et l'une des plus renommées sur le sol européen. Assumer pour la première fois la présidence du Comité des ministres depuis l'adhésion de l'Arménie au Conseil de l'Europe est une opportunité, un défi et une grande responsabilité. C'est une opportunité parce que pendant les 6 prochains mois, l'Arménie sera au premier rang de nos efforts communs visant à contribuer au développement démocratique de l'Europe. C'est un défi parce que notre continent est confronté aujourd'hui à de nombreux problèmes qui peuvent porter atteinte à nos valeurs fondamentales. C'est une grande responsabilité car le succès de nos efforts communs dépend non seulement de la contribution de chaque État membre, mais aussi de la capacité de diriger nos activités conjointes. L'Arménie, dont l'identité européenne prend ses racines des valeurs, des idéaux et de l'héritage commun, prend cette responsabilité en toute confiance. We will continue supporting the ongoing reform process of the Council of Europe initiated by the Secretary General, as we believe that this is the right way to raise the effectiveness and responsiveness of our organization. Xenophobia violates human dignity and challenges the cohesion of our societies. Promoting intercultural dialogue is an effective tool for forging greater understanding to further strengthen the application of the European Convention on Human Rights, especially at national level. This is a necessary precondition for securing the rights and freedoms of all citizens. To further reflect on the European standards on the rule of law, in continuation of the efforts of the UK chairmanship of the Council of Europe, in the framework of the Armenian chairmanship, the Constitutional Court of Armenia will organize a conference in Yerevan. It will focus on the role of public administration, notably the scope and the limits of the state power's discretion in designing, implementing, interpreting laws. Local democracy has been a priority area for a number of previous chairmanships and will continue their efforts in this regard, as we firmly believe that local democracy is a crucial element for the democratic advancement of the society. We will focus mainly on the aspect of citizens' participation and the ways to increase that participation in the decision-making process on matters of local and regional concerns. This issue will be addressed in detail during the conference, which will provide an opportunity to reflect upon all the relevant aspects in order to draw a comprehensive picture, in particular with regards to the best practices as well as on policies applied in member states of the Council of Europe. The Armenian chairmanship will also pay special attention to the problems of the capital cities and their role in overall development of local democracy, given their weight and influence in political, economic, social and cultural life. Education will also remain with the focus of the Armenian chairmanship, and we will contribute to the cooperation and policy dialogue in the field of higher education. This organization has carried out important work in support of the implementation of the Bologna process, which currently led by Armenia. Although tangible results have been achieved, nevertheless there is a need to consolidate the implementation and to further build on the progress achieved. Armenia will also pay special attention to the area of education for democratic citizenship and youth participation. In this regard, we will organize a youth policy symposium in Yerevan, which will serve as a platform for exchange of views and in-depth discussion on youth participation. The Armenian chairmanship attaches great importance to the cultural dimension of the Council of Europe activities aimed at raising awareness of the European citizens about rich and diverse cultural heritage of Europe. The Armenian chairmanship will also contribute to furthering Council of Europe's cooperation with other international and regional organizations. Such cooperation is essential for better synergies of activities, for an enhanced effectiveness and impact of efforts. In this regard, we will closely follow the process of accession of the European Union to the European Convention on Human Rights, which will further strengthen the protection of human rights and will contribute to the creation of a single European legal space. During our chairmanship, we will work closely with the Parliamentary Assembly of the Council of Europe and the Congress of Local and Regional Authorities. Two major events of these institutions are planned to take place in Yerevan in the next 6 months. We will ensure the continuity of efforts in areas identified as shared priorities, and we will be in close cooperation with previous Andorran and next Austrian chairmanships. Ladies and gentlemen, Armenia will cooperate in good faith with all member states who are willing to engage in constructive dialogue on issues which are the competence of the Council of Europe and who wish to contribute to the realization of the objectives of this organization. Thank you.